Good morning to you all. This is week 5 and we are going to start with the spelling. I hope you had a nice Easter and found a lot of eggs in your garden. I'm going to read to you 10 sentences and you have to write down the correct word. Okay, there we go. My sister has been ill, but she's better now. Write down better. Better. Peter is going to blow out the candles. Write down blow. Blow. Will you buy that book for me? I don't have enough money. Write down buy. Buy. When the clouds are black, it normally rains. Write down cloud. Cloud. Cutting wood makes a lot of dust. Write down dust. Dust. Film stars are often famous. Write down famous. Famous. Some farmers have animals and some grow crops. Write down farmers. Farmer. The first thing I do when I get out of bed is wash my face. Write down first. First. Freeways are roads where you can drive fast. Write down freeway. Freeway. Last one. The man is wearing funny shoes. Write down funny. Funny. Okay, I'm going to read all the words now so you can look if you wrote them correct. Better, blow, buy, cloud, dust, famous, farmer, first, freeway, and funny. Now, in the next picture, you can see if you wrote the word correctly, and you can stop the film if you need to so you can have a better look. And I wish you a very nice week, and I see you tomorrow for the next spelling. Okay, no, not tomorrow, Thursday. Okay, bye bye. Have a good week.